When it's time to harvest potatoes, it's always an exciting moment. Digging into the soil and pulling out those hidden treasures feels like uncovering a secret stash of nature's rewards. But have you ever thought about what happens to the potato plants after you've harvested the potatoes? Most people throw them away, thinking they're of no use. If you're adding them to your compost pile, that's great. But there's so much more you can do. In this video, we'll explore 2 amazing ways to make the most of those potato plants. These methods will not only improve your garden's soil, but also help you create a powerful liquid fertilizer in just a few days. Let's get started. First, we'll focus on making a liquid fertilizer, which is a faster method and incredibly useful. Start by gathering a large container. It could be a bucket or any large vessel that can hold water. Fill the container with rainwater if possible, as it's natural and chemical-free. If you don't have rainwater, tap water will work too, but make sure to let it sit for a day or 2. This allows any chlorine to evaporate, which is better for the microbes we're about to introduce. Next, take your leftover potato plants, carefully inspect them, and remove any parts that show signs of disease or pest infestation. Now chop them into smaller pieces. The smaller the pieces, the quicker they'll break down. Add these chopped pieces into the container of water. To make the fertilizer even more nutrient-rich, add a few handfuls of fully decomposed compost or manure. Stir everything well so that the plant material and compost mix together nicely. This combination is the base for your liquid fertilizer. Once mixed, loosely cover the container. It's important not to seal it tightly because the decomposition process produces gases, and these gases need to escape. Now, all you have to do is leave the container alone for at least 7 days. During this time, the plant material and compost break down in the water, releasing valuable nutrients and creating a powerful liquid fertilizer. After a week, you can start using your homemade fertilizer. But remember, it's very concentrated and needs to be diluted before applying it to your plants. Mix 1 part of the liquid fertilizer with 10 parts water to create the perfect balance. This diluted fertilizer is packed with nutrients from both the compost and the potato plants, as well as beneficial microbes that will help your plants thrive. Yes, it will smell a bit strong, but don't worry. That's just proof of how effective it is. Use it on your garden, and you'll see how much your plants love it. Now let's move on to the second method, which is slower but just as effective. After harvesting your potatoes, collect all the leftover plants. Carefully inspect them and remove any parts that show signs of disease or pest infestation. Only use the healthy portions to avoid introducing problems into your garden. Once sorted, chop the healthy plants into small pieces. This step is important because smaller pieces decompose faster. Spread these chopped pieces evenly across the surface of your garden bed. This is a great way to recycle the nutrients the plants absorbed while growing. To make this process even more beneficial, sprinkle some neem cake powder over the chopped plants. Neem cake powder is a natural product made from neem seeds, and it's loaded with nutrients. It also has pest-repelling properties, which can help protect your soil from harmful pests and nematodes. After adding the neem cake powder, it's time to cover everything with a layer of compost or fully decomposed manure. This layer acts as a blanket, providing the necessary microbes to help break down the potato plants. These microbes are like tiny workers that speed up the decomposition process and release nutrients back into the soil. Make sure to water the bed lightly to kickstart the decomposition. In a compost pile, potato plants can take months to break down completely. But with this method, the decomposition happens right in your garden bed and is much quicker. Within 3 to 4 weeks, the chopped plants will break down, enriching the soil with organic matter and nutrients. It's a simple and efficient way to improve your soil without waiting for months. These 2 methods show that potato plants are far too valuable to throw away. The first method gives you a fast-acting liquid fertilizer that's perfect for giving your plants a quick boost. The second method helps improve the soil in your garden beds over a few weeks, setting the stage for healthier plants in the future. If you found these tips useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. We have plenty more videos on gardening techniques, fertilizers, and sprays, so make sure to check them out and see you in the next video.